What if you could collect free emails and earn money like this? $140, £2.35, $3, $600, $10, $111, $4, $1.80, £32, $10, $30, $13, and over again for collecting free emails every couple of minutes. Now this is all very real. There's no time limit to how fast you can do this. Maybe you get 10 emails at one time and get $13.50 like this over here, times 10 in just a couple of minutes. Earnings will vary between various different people, as different people may get different emails and more emails or less emails at the same time. It all depends on how you go about this and if you actually take action with what I'm about to show you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get anywhere up to $5,000 online. I'm not going to put a time period to it, whether you do it in a day, a week, a month, or even a year, by just collecting simple emails like this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various different ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow me on that journey and make money online yourself from my videos, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification button so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Just a quick reminder, if you want to get over $380 off the Drop Servicing University program, marked down to just $29, you can enter this coupon on the screen over here on the first link in the description, and that special will last throughout September until October. So make sure to go and claim this coupon while it's still valid. And I'm not going to waste any time at all. I'm actually going to hop straight into this. So over here on my screen, the first step that you want to do is you want to come over to this website over here called affplus.com. So I'll zoom in on the screen. That's affplus.com. Now this website is a CPA marketing website with a whole bunch of offers where you can collect emails and make money with these various offers. So over here, for example, is an offer where somebody's doing a PlayStation 5 giveaway competition via lucky draw method. Now every time you get someone to this giveaway and refer them to this giveaway just to sign up, they don't need to buy anything, they don't need to buy a PS5, they just need to sign up for the giveaway, and at the same time your lead stands a chance to win a free PS5. You get $25 commissions for every referral that you make. Now what I love about sweepstakes and giveaways, the conversions are really good. It's a great way to make a lot of money online because people love free stuff. Who doesn't want the opportunity to win free giveaways and free stuff? And at the same time, you get paid to refer people to that. And on the CPA marketplace, there are thousands of different offers where you can go and find so many to go and promote. Now, if you have a look at this row over here with the blue numbers and the blue currencies over here, this is how much you will earn for collecting emails on every single one of these offers. Over here, this person is doing an iPhone 12 giveaway, just like that PlayStation 5 at the top, and you will earn $2.40. This person over here is doing another Golf Masters giveaway. That's obviously some golf goodie pack giveaway, and you're going to get $2.40 for every person that you refer to that giveaway. So what you want to do is come over to the search bar at the top, search for an offer that may suit you, something that you like, and I usually like to use sweepstakes. If you select the sweepstakes filter over here, sweepstakes is all got to do with giveaways. And the next step is we want to come over to Google over here, and you want to search the term PLR. This is all going to make sense. This may seem foreign to you right now, but PLR basically means private label rights ebooks, which is ebooks, courses, content that we can go and download for free, to give away for free, to sell, to claim as our own without any copyright issues. So over here, my favorite two is IDPLR and PLR.me. If I had to open these in a new tab, you've got PLR.me over here, where you can go and find so many different niches. So what I love about this website, you can come over to these PLR sites to download ebooks. If you want to learn new skills, use that to develop a product or sell those skills and make money off of that. And you can see all the categories over here. So you can take ebooks and courses on landing pages, lead magnets, reports and ebooks, how to make sales pages, video coaching programs, designing wallpapers, email sequences, courses and coaching, contracts, checklists, challenges, audios, etc. All sorts of skills that you can go and take over here, learn, or go download these ebooks and sell that yourself. So another good example over here is PLR.com. Now, the exact ebook that we need to choose needs to relate to our sweepstakes giveaway and CPA offer that we're going to promote on affplus.com, where we collect these emails and make money collecting these emails. So over here, I'm going to use the PlayStation 5 example, and we need to obviously go and choose an ebook related to this. It doesn't help choosing a health and fitness ebook if we're doing something with a PlayStation 5 giveaway. It's not going to make sense. So you want to come over to idplr.com over here and just search gaming as a whole relates to the PS5. And over here, you will see all the different ebooks that you can go and download related to gaming. So Gamer's Guide to Money Management, Dealing with Gaming Addiction, Advertising, Role-Playing Games, the new Nintendo Wii PLR Pack, Social Side Gaming, Gaming Cheats, which is quite a cool ebook. Most gamers would like that. And over here, one that caught my attention was build your own game. So this is an ebook that will teach you how to build your own games. So we can go and click on this ebook over here. I'm actually going to use this one for the example of this video. And do note that the example I'm choosing doesn't have to be yours. You can do this in so many different niches. I just like gaming as it fits quite nicely with the strategy. So I'm going to click download over here of this ebook, and you'll see once this is downloaded on my PC, it's going to pop up in a folder like this. You need to right click on the zip folder, click extract here, and this ebook will then load into a folder like this. And here you can see is your ebook that will teach you how to create games. All the chapters over here, so game creation basics, the tools, the 2D, 3D animation, game modification, and building a game on social sites. So this is a great ebook that teaches you how to create games. Now that we've got our ebook, we need to come back to our browser, and you want to come over to Google and just search the following: PDF editor, and click on enter, and we need to quickly go and do a quick edit to this ebook. Over here, I usually use this website over here called pdfescape.com, which looks like this. That's pdfescape.com. Click on the free online cloud over here so we can go and edit our ebook online. Click on upload PDF to PDF Escape. Click on choose file and go and choose the ebook that we've downloaded off PLR, and it will upload in just a couple of seconds over here. And over here you can see we can now go and edit this PDF. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down to the first page, the terms and conditions. You want to hover over the left, click on text over here, and drag some text at the top of the page. And all you want to type is this: worldwide PS5 giveaway competition. Click on colon, click on enter. You want to come over here to bit.ly. All you want to do is come back to this PlayStation Sweeps giveaway. Click on run this offer and grab your affiliate link like this over here. Paste it in bit.ly.com. Click on shorten over here, and it will shorten this URL over here. So here you can see it's my new shortened URL. Come back to your ebook and paste this over here. Now what you want to do is you want to then click on the link option over here, highlight the entire top of this page with this text, and enter your affiliate link and click on OK. And then what you want to do is just go and copy, so you can Control C and copy this at the top of each and every page over here. And you want to have this text with your affiliate link on the top of every page. So when somebody or a lead or a gamer enthusiast reads through this ebook, they're going to see worldwide PS5 giveaway competition. Every time they click on that and sign up for that giveaway, you are going to get paid $25 commission. You're not selling anything. You're not doing drop shipping or affiliate marketing. There's no product to be sold. It's a free action and you are getting paid for that. The next step is you now want to re-download this edited ebook. So on the left, you'll see there's a big green download option. Click on that and it will save directly and it will download to your PC. Now you'll see if I open this new ebook up and I scroll down, you'll see I've now got this clickable link at the top of each page. And finally, the third and last step over here is we want to go and give our ebook away to various different gaming communities around the world. Now it doesn't have to be gaming, it has to be in your niche. So if you obviously did this on health and fitness or dieting, you need to go and find communities in that niche. So I'm going to go over to Facebook over here and searched up a whole bunch of gaming communities, and these are people from all over the world. So over here you can see on Facebook groups, we've got the ZA Gaming Alliance with over 39,000 members, Gamers Gaming with 77,000, Gaming with 223,000 members and over 20 posts a day. So that's a nice active group. The Afrikaanse Gamers, PC Builders Community, Gaming South Africa. So what you want to go and do is join one of these groups over here. So for example, in fact, I actually found a group over here called Only PlayStation Gamers, which is obviously related to our giveaway, the PlayStation giveaway. So all you want to do is you want to make a post like this. Make sure to type this word for word like I'm going to show you, because it's super important that you have this formula or script in these communities to actually convert. So click on create a public post over here and you want to type the following: free giveaway, 1, like this post, 2, comment ebook, and the first 100 people will win an ebook to create their own games with a chance to win a PS5 via lucky draw with a good luck and a little finger cross emoji over here. So why you want to do this is you want to get people to engage with your Facebook post, because Facebook posts that don't get likes or no comments start to fall down towards the bottom of Facebook groups and it gets lost and nobody actually sees them. But posts that remain at the top, you'll notice, are the ones getting the most engagement. So in order to enter this giveaway, you want to get the people on this group to like and comment, because that keeps your post at the top, basically causing a viral ripple effect. So then all you want to do is you want to click on photo or video over here, and you actually want to go and add an image cover of this ebook. So if you click on this, come over to the folder of your ebook, click on cover. It will actually give you done for you covers to go and use. So we're going to use this gaming cover over here, and here you can see all you need to do is click on post once you're ready. And once this has been posted, I want you to take note. If you come back over here, that is one over literally thousands of gaming groups on Facebook that you can go and join. So I really recommend go and sort out through all the niches, whether it's health and fitness, gaming, entertainment, advice, education, you name it. You can go and create affiliate marketing strategies or get different offers on avplus.com, embed them into ebooks in so many different niches, and go and post over all of these communities over here. And this is a great way to collect hundreds of emails every single day and to get thousands of dollars in the long run by just collecting all of these emails over here on this PS5 giveaway. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist over here for you guys that will teach you tons of strategies just like this one to make PayPal money online. There's over 300 videos that I've created over the last 2 years here in this playlist. Information with tons of worth that is all available here for free. So I recommend if you want to go and find out more ways to make money like this, you can go and apply one of the strategies over here and this one that I just showed you and make 2 streams of income. That's quite a good idea. So I recommend go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there when you're ready.